Rahim, class 7th. Today we are going to start our chapter number 5, that is fit and healthy. All the people are not of the same stamina. Some of them are more energetic and some of them are weak and lazy. That depends on their fitness, and fitness means different things to different people. Health is important more than just not being ill. Good health is when you feel good both physically and mentally. This means having a healthy body that is working properly and healthy mind where you are able to cope with the many challenges that life throws to you. So you can say if you are healthy by eating a balanced diet and varied diet, mean eating different types of your food, and you are eating good diet, taking good diet, exercising regularly, and not abusing your body with drugs, that you are not using drugs and you are doing your exercises and you are eating different types of foods, the healthy foods, then you can say that you are healthy. And what is healthy eating? Each year, a human being can eat 1 ton of food and drinks 500 liters of liquid. Not of all these things are good for maintaining a normal life, but one which provides the right balance between the food that you are eating that should provide you energy, the food that provide building material, and the food that you are taking that should control chemical reactions, and the food that you are eating and that you are consuming that should be contain dietary fibers, or you can say roughage. Getting the right balance is not always easy. Many people just leave it on to the chance and they eat what they want. However, there is one thing that is clear: the people eat for too much fat, sugar, and salt. In addition, they do not eat enough fiber. They do not eat the food. You can say the vegetables. Vegetables have fibers and they are very good for the health. Here are two pictures given. In this picture you can see the food full of proteins, vitamins and minerals, and energy. What are the uses of proteins, vitamins and minerals and salts? Most people get enough proteins, vitamins and minerals in their normal diet. Proteins are needed to build and repair body tissues. What do we use protein? Protein is used to build and repair body tissues. Vitamins play a vital part in the chemical reactions which take place in the body. Minerals are essential for building tissues such as bones and teeth. But unfortunately, people eat for too much food, common salt, an average of 12 grams per day, more than twice that they need. They eat too much salt than the requirement. Too much salt causes health problems such as high blood pressure. So it is important, first thing that is important, to reduce the consumption of salt from the daily life. And the fibers. What are the fibers and from where can we get the fibers? Fibers or roughage is made up of plant cell walls which pass through the digestive system without being digested. That these fibers cannot be digested, but they pass through the digestive system or absorbed. It gives the muscles in the walls of the digestive system sometimes to push on. Food containing a lot of fiber helps prevent constipation and other disorder of the digestive system such as hemorrhoid, that is piles. And you can see the picture of these foods that contains fibers. What do you mean by nutrition disorder? As you know that there are a lot of diseases caused by harmful microbes, so we can become ill in other way if we eat too much food or not take the enough exercise. we become fat or obsessed. A person who is obese is at risk from a number of diseases such as diabetes first, heart diseases, asthma, and arthritis. If we eat too little, however, we become malnourished, and you can say malnutrition as has serious effect. What is diabetes, and what is the cause of the diabetes? Diabetes is actually the condition where your body does not making enough insulin is inside your body, or the insulin it makes does not working properly. Your body is all time making insulin from the food that you are eating, and the insulin should also work. Insulin is a hormone. This hormone is made in pancreas, which controls the level of glucose in your body or in your blood, sometimes called blood sugar level. People with diabetes could go on to develop serious health problems such as heart disease, blindness, and even limb amputation. What are the heart diseases? Due to our diet, the heart has its own blood supply provided by blood vessels called the coronary artery. Heart diseases happen when coronary arteries become blocked by fatty substances called cholesterol. If we are eating fatty or oily things and oily foods full of cholesterol, then the supply of blood through our heart will block the veins, arteries. The blood supply to the heart may be restricted, causing a severe pain called angina, or cut off altogether, causing a heart attack. What is asthma and how it is the cause of? It is because of food. Asthma is a condition that affects the tubes that carry air and out of the lungs. The lining of these tubes become inflamed and very sensitive to things like pollen, pets, and even cold weather. This causes the tubes to become narrow and breathing become very difficult. The pets you are having in your homes, they also call the asthma to you, and the pollen grains that are not suitable for you, they also stuck into the breathing pipe, and they make that pipe congested, which causes the serious problems in breathing. What is arthritis? Arthritis is a condition where the lining of the joints in the body becomes inflamed. This lining usually protects our joints from impact during running or jumping. Excess body weight puts more pressure on the joints, making them inflamed. The inflammation causes the joint to swell and become very painful and stiff. Vitamin and mineral deficiency. The different vitamins are known by the letters A, B, C, etc. Vitamin C, for example, is found in leafy vegetables such as spinach and citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons. A disease called scurvy is caused by too little vitamin C. Scurvy causes bleeding gums, loose teeth, muscles, weakness, and eventually death if you are not taking little acidic food. So you can face these problems. And what is the disease of rickets? A disease called rickets affect bones, making them soft so they become bent and twisted. Vitamin D is needed for the uptake and use of calcium in the diet. If there is a shortage of calcium or vitamin D in your diet, then your bones and teeth will not form properly. Vitamin D is present in fish oil. The body can also make vitamin D when it is exposed to sunlight. So that's why newborn babies are kept in the sunlight, so that they can get the right amount of vitamin D. Iron. Iron is a mineral found in red meat. Iron is found in red meat, especially in liver. It is needed to make hemoglobin. Hemoglobin gives red blood cells They are colored and is essential for the transport of oxygen around the body. A deficiency of iron causes a disease called anemia. A person affected with anemia looks pale and feels weak and tired all the time. And what protein deficiency? The most obvious signs of malnutrition are often caused by lack of protein in the diet. A disease caused by protein deficiency is kwashiorkor. A child with kwashiorkor may not have received enough of its mother's milk and may have been forced onto a high carbohydrate diet too early. As a result, the child receives enough energy food but does not develop physically or mentally. Kwashiorkor occurs commonly in areas of famine or where food is in short supply. Here are some questions relating to the previous reading, and you have to give their one word answer in front of these questions. And what are the drugs? They are spoiling your health. Drugs are substances that change the way the body works. They can act on nervous system by affecting the movement of nerve impulses and along the fiber of nerve cells. Most drugs are useful, but many of them are harmful and can easily kill if they are misused. What are the useful drugs? Drugs such as aspirin and paracetamol are painkillers. They can be bought at a chemist for the headaches and other pains. Tranquilizers and sedatives should only be obtained on prescription from the doctor. Tranquilizers calm people down. Sleeping pills are sedatives. The body can quickly become dependent on these drugs. Anesthetics are used to numb parts of the body. Dentists use local anesthetics to numb your mouth. A general anesthetic is used to put patients to sleep completely before the operation. What are the harmful drugs? Unfortunately, some people use some drugs to give pleasant short-term effects. It is easy to become addicted to harmful drugs, and many drugs addicts die. Many of these drugs affect behavior and personality, as well as having long-term effects on the brain. The use of possession of controlled drugs such as cannabis, cocaine, and heroin is illegal in most parts of the world. So here are the questions relating to this reading. You have to give the answer in front of these questions on your book. What is smoking? Smoking kills about 5 million people in the world every year. This is because tobacco smoke contains lot of harmful chemicals. The one thing that is nicotine that is present in the tobacco. Nicotine is a poison which damages the heart, blood vessels and nerves. It is an addictive drug. Smokers cannot do without it, and so find it hard to give up. It is tar. Tar sticks to the inside of the lungs when smoke cools. It affects the walls of the alveoli and causes lung cancer. Carbon monoxide is also in the smoke of the tobacco. It is also a poisonous gas. It prevents blood carrying oxygen around the body. Other gases such as ammonia and cyanide irritate the inside of the air passages. This makes smokers cough. Diseases caused by smoking. Most people who have lung cancer or cancer of the mouth are the smokers. Emphysema is caused by chemicals in tobacco smoke. Alveoli is destroyed, reducing the surface area of the lungs. Tiny hairs, cilia, which clean the inside of the lungs, are killed by tobacco smoke. The lungs can quickly become infected by bacteria. This causes bronchitis. Here are the questions that you have to read these topics and then the answers. There is another type of second-hand smokers. They are known as second-hand smokers, SHS. Non-smokers who live or work with smokers are at risk getting all of the diseases associated with tobacco smoking. This is called passive smoking. So how to you keep yourself fit and healthy? To be fit and healthy, you have to do something about it. You do not have to be a super athlete or go to the gym every day to be fit and healthy. Here are few simple things that you can do. Cut down on fried food. You should reduce fried food from your diet. You should use vegetables, oils for cooking instead of animal fat. Try boiling or grilling food instead of frying. Eat less red meat. Poultry and fish are better because they contain less fat. Eat less fatty dairy foods such as butter and cream. Computer games might be fun, but they do not use up much energy. And you should eat more fresh fruit and vegetables, and always try to avoid from smoking. It increases blood pressure. Relax and avoid stressful situations, and you should do exercise regularly. Walking briskly for about 20 minutes takes about the same amount of energy as a 15-minute bike ride or a medium level workout at the gym. Brisk walking moves more oxygen into the brain and triggers and the release of chemicals called endorphins happens chemicals into the bloodstream. Together these can help to lower anxiety, increase in the feeling of well-being, and leave you more relaxed. So here are the questions relating to this reading. The thing that you have to do, you have to answer these questions in front of these questions, and after that you have to read out its objective and you have to give the answers of this topic of or these objective types.